Let's go kill some ducks, man.
She got plane in here.
Hank Williams.
Oh, I thought it might be.
Hell yeah, man.
All right, so we got done with work about 5. Started work about 5. Got ready. Me and Tyler got together and flew up here to Justin's. It's about 10:30 at night. We got getting the boat ready, and we're gonna drive another hour and a half up to like Green Bay area and launch and go find ourselves a spot for opening day, or the northern opener. It's gonna be like 90 tomorrow, so I am thinking probably gonna be an awful day for hunting, but I'm sure it's gonna be one heck of a story. It will be interesting, no doubt, especially with these two clowns. Tyler's wearing a freaking kilt right now, so
Yes, I hope you guys brought the sweet corn. Because I just got the sweet corn utensils.
we're gonna do no hunting,
the turkey basters.
just pure eating.
Did you bring the s'mores or not? That's what I want to know, because I got the 2
Real quick for this.
Okay.
Are you coming out here at duck hunt, or are you going to go out there and have
Okay,
a barbecue?
real men hunting a kilt or what?
Yeah. Why not? We only live once.
Okay, let's go grab decoys.
Where are they? They're in your bedroom or what?
I sleep on the floor there in my bed.
Forecast.
Not good. Hot. Got my swimming suit.
In a kilt.
And, yeah. Wait until you see what's underneath that kilt. Play your cards right.
Okay, here's my half-ass checklist I got.
Oh, God.
So that'll be good.
Fence post for the mojos. I just
Yep.
threw that in there. Charge the mojos. Did you do that?
No, you did. I hope.
Food, water, cooler. You got water. No, we don't have any water. Okay. Screw down the floor.
You got one
We'll worry about
Gatorade.
that a different day. Paint the nails. I painted some nails for the boat.
What nails could you
Life
use?
jackets, I got 3 of them now.
You had paint your nails on there?
Yeah. Phone charger, decoys, thermocell, possibly a new Stanley thermos for the half-gallon of coffee, and cigars.
Yes.
Only
We
only half of it really is mandatory for duck hunting. The other half
Yeah,
is just.
we-
Hey, pull this thing out. I forgot that the lights didn't work last time.
Oh, God.
Hey. Oh.
You know, this is pretty much the standard for, like, you know, every boat operation, and every guy decides to make sure that their boat trailer lights work about 4 seconds before they leave,
Yeah.
and then they never do.
Let's just go get a flashlight and put it on strobe. Hey, where's that beeper at?
You got 1 tail light on a 2 and no brakes.
Like just glass or.
Hey, watch out. Yeah, the rest of it's right there.
It's like white-tail adrenaline or what?
Hours later.
I already saw a light. Just tape it on there. I don't care.
That's not it.
What are you doing?
Nick.
Sorry.
Wait, what are you doing?
You got lights?
Oh yeah.
Oh, other one's out now.
Yeah.
Flash.
This one does.
This one doesn't.
Hey, change that bulb. I bet the blinker in it's burnt.
Yeah, I bet that's only the side marker light. That's not the actual bulb.
We don't have time. Let's go.
No, swap this.
Justin, let's swap it out.
Fine. You guys are sick. Take this. We'll turn my flashers off now. Get down.
Are we gonna go? Just forget about it. What time did you pick me up?
8 o'clock.
8 o'clock.
It is 3:30. I'm so tired. Time did you get up this morning or yesterday?
4:30, 5, somewhere in there.
Oh, quit your bitching. I got up at 6:30. All I know. So I call for a shot. This is ridiculous how many is out here.
As the sun came up, there were ducks everywhere and the shooting began. We had no idea there'd be that many ducks in there. They were everywhere but in our spread. See what spot I like it. We should come back here next year.
Why would they? But look at all those right there.
Yeah.
We gotta
Let's just get down there where they keep cutting.
Yeah, just
They like making a loop.
Right.
So what do you
Let's pop the pins, flop her down, and then we'll just have to throw everything in here as much as we can.
Okay. There was like a little opening in the trees that all the ducks kept cutting right through, and we decided to go down there and set up and try to get underneath them. Right here. So Justin, stubborn and unwilling to go home empty-handed, talks us into leaving the river and go to the walking area. Me and Tyler just wanted to go home because it was 90 degrees and we thought we were gonna die.
It's not hunting unless someone gets naked.
What is your plan here, Justin? Hey!
Justin's plan is to piss
What is
everyone
your plan?
Piss everyone else off. He succeeded.
The plan is, every time we use the boat, it's a waste of time. So we're going back to strictly only canoe and walking.
We don't have a canoe.
I know, so it's walking.
Your dash is 87.
Yeah, it is 87. It's only gonna get warmer because it's only noon. We are bound to get Tyler one wood duck today. He's had numerous chances.
Yeah.
He's literally let him.
Failed every single time.
Yeah, he's literally let him land right next to him, and he just stared at him. It's only 50 yards or so, I think, guys.
It's not 50 yards.
There's nothing that comes out of your mouth that I'm going to believe ever again.
I feel like I have a better understanding why you might not be shooting things. Because Zoro can't see too good through his mask.
I can see just fine. They can't see me if I can't see them.
You know, there's gonna be a parking lot with like 47 cars back here.
That would be amazing.
If there is, I'm going home. You just want to set that drift cord up right here.
Running across the road against the fence.
Right. For the duck over there.
2:30 and 90 degrees. We finally called it quits. And now we're headed home. I'm very excited. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe.